Hey guys, welcome back to our comedy compilation video. Today is another hilarious one for you guys. I am not going to waste any of your time, but before we dive into this comedy compilation, we now have membership turned on our channel. Membership, you can go and click to join our membership, be a part of our family, be a part of our fans. Whenever you join this membership, you have access to special treatment. Like we're going to be giving you content before every other person sees it. You're going to be the first person to see it. You can have access to our behind the scene video, how we make our content, and I can also teach you so many things, how you can create your own comedy compilation reaction video like this one. And also our super thanks. Yes, our super thanks, just kindly click it and you see the option. Super thanks is for you to support us, appreciate us for what we have been, the content we have been giving you. From your own will, you can give us whatsoever you want to sponsor our channel, to grow our channel. We are going to use it to, upgrade this channel for your own better viewing experience. So that's what we're going to use it for. All right, without further ado, let's really dive into this comedy. Let's go.
Baba. Things don't dey sup. I did better things don't dey sup. I tell you. Come on, boy, say sorry. Oh my God, I did na my tongue. Baba, make I blow with you. Blow. This morning where I come meet you. As I come out, I go play lotto. Okay. I chop 40 million naira.
Jesus. Even the go transfer limit. Now 2 million.
Hey! Baba, make I shock you. Shocking me. I never bath your soap.
Jesus! Báwo la fẹ́ ṣe báyìí? Ibi tá fẹ́ gbòbì sí, òbí ti lálẹ́ wù ń bẹ́ẹ̀.
Òbí yẹn kò lè mú wá gbà báyìí. ASAP.
Ó ní pé,
Baba, na the soap wey you give me be this one I never use. Now I won't call refund. I beg, refund my money ASAP.
It's sapping. I'm falling it.
Ope. 5724.
Don't waste my time. Please send the money. Exactly what I'll do.
Come on, Susanna. We've been dating for more than 6 months. When are we
Degeneral,
going to knock?
Okay, General. I'm home. Come over. Let's do it today.
Alright, I'm coming.
Yes! They're coming for Motell.
Do your best. Make sure say you beat my body. Give him a way.
45.
It's about to go down.
General.
Yeah.
Knock and wait for us.
Jesus. Many of them when they look down on me. Shame to all of you.
It gets to kind of friends when you get you.
My blood is pretty hot.
We get people everywhere.
What of Susan?
Susan. She just lost her mom.
Thank you, God. At least my kid no cut.
Stop rolling. Stop rolling.
What's wrong with you? Did you just tell you I lost someone and this is all you can think of?
See, let's just mourn. I even wear black, then I'll come join you mourn later. Get why?
Mon. I bet come suck.
You guys will tap this link on by your highlights. Register with the promo code Degeneral.
Is Degeneral actually artless like this? He is very artless. And the girl could not even figure out the winch seer this time around with Jadrolita. The love is going smoothly until something happens. So what is that thing? We're going to see it on this video, right? And you all know now. You know what you would expect from Agent of Laughter. So when something like this is about to come. What am I saying? So you have been feeding me with chicken, spirit, speed.
Senior man. One guy don't open an account for Nigeria.
Leave out, na normal thing.
Hey! You don't dey add Oyibo.
You dey add Oyibo people?
Yeah.
Why now?
I don't know.
Leave the guy.
Make I leave am.
Normal thing now.
He don dey chat one Oyibo.
Nigerian person.
Oyibo dey chat Oyibo.
Okay, he use Oyibo picture. Leave am.
Make I leave am.
Exactly what Facebook is doing to.
They say I love you, I love you too.
Leave am na normal something.
Hey, you don't tell am say me send am card.
Which
gift
card?
Gift card.
What thing do they use gift card do for Nigeria?
I don't know.
Just leave am. Just leave am.
Hey, the woman don't say I will get it for you.
He will get it for you. Leave am.
Man, leave am.
Leave am.
Hey! He said I'm on the store now. Should I snap it front and back?
Snap that front and back. Back and fast.
Control front and back. Gift card. And Akwala. We for leave am me and collect now.
Collect wetin? You don't collect salary?
No. Senior man.
Does Facebook robots speak Igbo? Anakwala. Does Facebook robots speak Igbo? I don't know, but this is what Yahoo boys are facing in Nigeria. Like when the time comes for client to pay them, Facebook is gone. Let's see this one from Sam Skid. Please pardon me because of the copyrights. I silent the music in the background because of copyright. I'm trying to avoid copyright, but I think you can enjoy it like this. So just pardon me, understand, okay? All right, let's go. Show, open it. Gorilla, don't scare. Gorilla, no, they carry the way. You go use banana. That guy and his crazy moves.
People of our land. No. You're all welcome. You sure of it, uncle?
Yes, I'm cooking.
Will you can break it down? He's burning. What's rubbish? No. This man. As you all know, over the years, up till now, there is only one brand that is the most reliable platform that Predator could sport bet. And it is for free. And that is
KDSB.
And that is
KDSB.
Let it pass from us to our children. Let them just click the link on my bio comment section to join. Mazabi, meaning what? How can it be only one brand that will be predicting accurate sports bet in this community? Let's give room to other brands. Ewita, Lawa.
Father, please.
Father.
What is he going to do?
Go.
Father.
Don't ask for what you want to
I'm only
fight.
suggesting you.
Now you are fighting. This is how it always ends. Almost to die.
Mommy, please try and be fine. Heather.
Oh my God.
Please say what you can do. Heather. Do something. Heather.
As you all know, the king is critically ill. But there is one solution. The princess must go and pray to the gods. Not. She must be a virgin.
Hey! Who they sit down where? How come?
Abomination!
That means
the princess is pregnant.
Father, please, I can explain, Father, please.
doesn't your father will not get like forever?
Who's responsible?
Father, please, I can explain. Oh my God.
Pew.
Hey! What is that? We've been for 2 months now.
Hey! Is he running for me like crazy race? How small?
I give him don't enter. Thank you, KGSB.
The only funny bro is say nobody play bet.
Why the piece for that place? No, she don't need a piece for there.
For this place.
You didn't want me, I ask question, they ask me question. That place where the piece, you go pay money.
I go pay for peace.
Bro, no let me cut throat, give you.
Me a peace finish now, bros.
Which one say me a piece finish? I examine your guy that angel. You didn't want me.
I will come peace of body. Me a peace finish.
May do your mind. I'm a runner, they collect, thank you. Ayawa will.
Yeah, I'm back at you.
Are you sure this guy is going to ease himself? Now.
Jesus.
Now this is the pieces.
Bros, now my bladder. Now my bladder big.
Which one be your brother? I send me your brother for street. What?
Bladder. Now where piece they gather for human be body.
You get time for belly. Happy you be coming. I don't understand this guy, yo.
Bro, this is when you dey wait make a piece finish. Why not just click the link when they Mozkoh buy you? It will take you to win on strict Telegram channel. The Telegram channel they give short odds for games. As they predict game your own now just they play. Before you know you go to cash out.
Jesus Christ, I'm not saying I mean they tell this one. I just people go school for your eye. I be your play phone for your eye. I mean they tell say make I go operate 20 for your link. I be go kill uni.
Boss, now good morning.
I don't understand. Which one be good money, bros? Where you they go and where you they come from?
Boss, I dey go morning devotion.
Jesus.
Money devotion. I be waiting be time.
This is 5:30 in the morning.
Bros, I don't understand though. Now inside your piece I stand see so. And you see the piece. I swear to God, I just want to go sleep. But you see your face, eh? I swear to God, I don't mark. You see, eh? Now stinginess go wound you. Instead when you go to say you this guy no get money, you keep me here all night. Now go kill you, I swear. Gonna go for this yard.
I first you come Lagos.
Wait, had it been Mozkoh have told him that he doesn't have money, would this guy have allowed him be? There's no way we would have allowed him be at all. He go the trouble one, the stress. This is just the best thing. Let's see why Brown. This guy is crazy. What's his content?
Babe, what's the meaning of this? I've told you, let's do this after marriage.
Hey!
Hello, babe. I'm coming home already. Hope you cook.
Yes, I'm cooking.
That's why I love you. Oh, yeah, babe, kiss me.
Babe, after marriage.
After killing.
For fun again, babe,
Just
kiss me.
phone.
Jesus.
After marriage.
Like, I even love this guy. No doubt now, this guy.
Babe, this should be the last time I'm warning you. Let's do this after marriage.
No problem.
Idiot.
I'm going to work.
What's going on here?
He was very strict though with that marriage thing.
Thief.
And they went to call another mad doctor. Let's see how this will end.
Waiting.
As you can see, she's suffering from ET, like essential tremor.
Jesus.
So under this treatment is 500k.
What did you
Don't
talk?
worry, they go.
Babe, want to pay the doctor so he can start the treatment immediately.
We're gonna punish you.
Babe, you don't forget. Let's do this after marriage now.
Jesus.
Blood of Jesus.
The word is
my
not,
transport, man, they go now.
the word is not wicked. Why is the word wicked? Care? You pay me back, I pay you back. Pay me, I pay you. God don't go vex. What nonsense is that?
Baba play like this.
Steve on this one with his girl.
Baba leave am. That's what she dey do. Anytime when she just
and
vex like this, she just enter kitchen begin dey cook food.
Nah, lie.
Hold up.
Is this how they want you?
This guy want to be that.
Oh yeah, see something. Babe.
Yes?
Come and get me this remote here.
He's just beside you now.
I said, come and get me this remote. Are you mad?
Are you a servant of the devil?
I tell you now. I tell you.
Are you thinking what I'm thinking?
To start restaurant like this, set up
Mama, say rice for me.
guys cashing out.
Say 500 naira rice.
How many me?
12 mama.
Hold up.
Are you mad?
12, mama.
Ow.
No go shift.
Ha! Rice don't finish, though.
Rice don't finish yet. Baby, you are very stupid.
I use a robot name my love.
Mom, no is a robot, yo. Who go broke, oh.
The girl don't walk, he not tired. Steve, you want to kill her? This time she used it to rub on the accept.
I beg.
Let's listen
I
to
beg, when I don't vex for me, I beg. For those of
MC
them that don't send me
Future
a card number since they say I push you down smoothie, I beg. I beg, when I don't vex, I beg. Anything I don't do on this back, I'm not mood like this. Anything you sent for me go be like comedy script. They get me so I go hear the read and they laugh. I beg. That's what the Kanamata they do. No dolly movement. I beg. Even if I go online, any video may not funny. You go hear they make me the line. Go they funny for me. I beg. I beg. And they see the account of my like comedy script. Now today I can't observe and web. I can't
comedy script.
Now I can't know all these people they sell for me since they are beg. No verse for me, Baba. No verse. I beg.
You are wicked.
I beg. But still not still day. You dey get me so I beg. No verse. Not still day, my brother. Allow Baba. Can't matter.
Say go to sound like comedy script. That is very crazy. So no wonder I've been sending you to send me 2K. You were laughing.
Yeah, oh, yeah, give me bread.
Which bread?
Bread of life. Give me bread, Ijade.
Biashagi, don't let me get angry with you. 700 where you see they owe me since 2 weeks ago. You never bring that. Now you they ask for no credit.
Actually, why they do like this? 700. You have listened to it. 700. How much is 700?
Just 700.
700 is up to $8. Okay. What are you saying? If not BFCC will freeze my account, I think give you $10,000 million.
Oh, sorry, Daddy freeze. You where they supposed to put inside freezer. You don't hear where they say they freeze broke people account. Who you be where EFCC go freeze your account?
Which
can you come out from my shop?
Because of 700.
Mama Chinedu, my fine sister. How far now? I beg, give me that fresher soap. Give me
yeah,
like
fresher
3.
soap. Oh, not too much. Hello, beautiful. You know, you look and so beautiful, like an angel that formed from the Mercury into the star.
Thank you.
Well, I'm a billionaire. But I'm a low-key billionaire. We don't shout. You get what I mean? And the billionaire I am with treats women with dignity and respect.
Wow. Really?
Really, that's me. That's how God brought me. Well, my name is Shank.
Number 1 fine boy Agberu. Melanin popping. Black skin boy. AKA the broken.
He shocked you.
He was
I've been there before.
Oh no. You wait the oldest for all the provision shop for this town.
Tell them,
Mama Chinedu, they don't pay you in debt.
Which debt? Apart from all the things where I don't dash up for this place, 3,590. Now my money remain. Never feel paid.
No.
Millionaire.
Peller, Francis said,
Come and toast me.
You there, Chris?
I say you them unami cut.
Your papa. Fuck you, bitch.
It's a pity for you.
Very sweet girl.
Oh my
God. See how your skin and this banana get the same complexion. Skin like milk.
Oh my God.
Are you aware that many are doing makeup just to look like you?
Baby. Babe.
Ha! You say?
Okay.
Come on, come, minus relationship will not be your mate. You know what I what kind of stupid art with this one? Huh? When I say why I avoid the mururu.
You know the one calling beautiful, the sweet girl.
I don't understand. Don't you normally kiss me with spit in my mouth?
This is not where you bring up from your mouth now. This is not spit. He go is this spit? He go sense. If I come go give me shit match up now make a love.
You have ruined this beautiful moment. You're not even romantic. In fact, I'm going to my house.
Come, before you come out here, go come on my hoodie. No be your fault. Now conjure I blame.
Fine, what are you waiting for? These people are arguing off the light.
What is good about the afternoon? Ma, is there a problem? You are the problem. Your bank is the problem. Don't people even have the field
OV card maintenance.
From January 1 to December, 12k interest, 1k per month. Ma, you're lucky you even got. Emma, thank you. It's not until you collect my life from me. What more do you want? What have you done for me as a bank? I entered this place this morning, not even cold water. Every time debits, SMS debit alerts, card maintenance. What are you maintaining? Remove my card.
I don't really know what they are maintaining.
They will do Christmas party. They will call Davido. They will call Whiskey. They will call all the influencers. You will not call us. Are we not stakeholders in this or bank? Ma, please calm down. Don't tell me to calm down. We are sorry, ma. You know what? I want to close my account. We are sorry, ma. Please calm down. Don't tell me to calm down. Close my account. I want to close it. We are sorry, ma. I said, when I fucking close it down.
She even came with gun. She will be arrested like a robber.
Good morning, sir. Sir, I beg no vex. I never chop since 2 days now. I don't know that if you buy food for me. I get very hungry.
Are you sure this is your pattern?
Just tell them, I'll pay. Thank you, sir.
Ask who will pay first. You don't ask who will pay.
Because my papa no be Dangote or Wadeleke, but I go dey okay. Yeah. Thank you. Sir, thank you.
Would this be enough?
Sir, it won't be enough. Oh. I know they chop one chicken. But as money no day, every day with this one.
No. If you want more, just tell them. I'll pay.
Oh, hey, this is what I want
Madam,
to hear.
give me one more chicken.
Okay.
Thank you, sir.
Assured. So if you don't pay, I will feel fight to beat you well.
Are you okay now?
Sir, I for dey okay. Oh. But the chicken is just 2. If you say reach 3, I for dey very, very okay.
My brother asked for more.
Madam! Chicken! Look, drop am here. Sharp.
Wake up!
Oh,
What be this? What be this? Jesus.
Today na sanitation. We dey do clean up for downstairs.
Where the chicken?
Chicken care.
Where the chicken? 3 chicken.
I'm not going
Can
to
you talk nonsense? Come go do clean up.
Who goes you? Where the chicken?
Slim.
Where the chicken?
Chicken. Slim. I know where any chicken. Oh.
Just spray. You sweet like that chicken.
The chasing is massive. How can you wake me up because of rubbish when I'm about to eat my chicken? 3 chicken and fried and jollof rice.
Fine girl. How you doing now?
I do.
From this village?
Yes, now.
This one where you stand for outside for afternoon like this, they do like that.
I mean, ghost.
So from city come here, come dey.
No louder.
And they tell you.
Oh, Perry.
If say I guess question now, for some man carry you go shake body.
How much in your pocket?
10,000 now remain for my hand.
Hey, bring and call my body.
Oh, this girl cheap.
Very cheap.
Hey, na 5,000 now remain. You go to buy that time.
Where you ask there?
My house that side.
What be this? What be this?
Do it.
Wait.
Nah, nothing, doctor. Nothing, doctor. Conji one kia. Conji one key priestess. Conji one key priestess. How you two go carry a shower for inside forest? And you expecting her to be normal human being? See me, oh. You don't think this might be a spirit or?
Mama, I beg you, get any business center where they around here?
Business center?
Where they around here?
You know me before.
That's all, bro.
Hey, wo. I shall call you.
She got mommy.
How many of you remember the smile?
2 minutes you thought you're gonna use. Use 5 days. You have already used like 5 minutes. What's the problem? Your money don't complete that.
Let's watch this video. Oga, I beg now. I want you to make 1 minute call. They just use my phone. Now.
Hey, take it. Don't tire. I don't like you pay me money.
Clap for Jesus.
What's going on, guys? Come on, give me my phone. It's somebody that passed. One boy that passed. He said he want to watch Bad and Bougie Alakada. Coming out the 18 for cinema. And he said he want to sell his phone for 2K. And I give it to him 2K. And I collect the phone.
It's okay. Take 2K.
Yeah, funny you.
What type of behavior is this?
You know how much this is 12 Pro Max in the market?
How much?
2.9.
For phone with the tip give you?
Oh, this woman that year, my African year, I don't me.
No, but let's see Roland and this girl.
Fine girl.
Women.
Hello.
You for me.
Beatrice flower.
You no get car.
Hibiscus flower. My color.
Color, okay.
Caramel chocolate. Oui.
Shut up. Go and hustle. You no get color. Poor man no get color. Na money be color.
Hey! He shot you.
All right. All of you that make me happy, God will make you happy. All of you.
My color.
We have problem.
Oswald.
This year.
Go and hustle half color.
One guy for Nigeria don't open page for Facebook. Cinema, this one no be normal thing. No. You don't dey act Charlie Stegon.
Charlie Stegon? Charlie Stegon dey stay for Nigeria.
No. Hey, cinema! In IP address they show Ikoton Nigeria.
Ikoton? Charlie Stegon? Wetin Charlie Stegon dey find for Ikoton?
No.
Why I can't?
You dey mad. Control Ikoton Nigeria Lagos Charlie Stegon.
Pocom.
Very good.
Cinema, you don't open another one, no. He say his name na Johnson, you can't see me.
Johnson, we can't see him. In fact, neither I can't. Not the IP address, not everything made that in phone, they useless.
Control John Cena IP address. Done.
Now he can't see us.
Now I'm go YouTube.
I'll go show you Pepe. They play.
This is what many Yahoo boys are facing, like they are passing through in the hands of Facebook.
No verse. You know, sir, I just start my project. I just begin build my house. Now why they tie you here? I know what now. I go to build my house. You can't carry juju. They put inside my house. Money you can't finish in my hand. I can't complain. Say waiting they happen. So I beg you go there here for the next 6 months. When I finish my duplex, I release you. I don't want all this in a village state for my house. Boys, so feed her, clothe her, give her anything she wants. Until you be fine, eh? Once I'm done, I'll release you. Eh?
You are done with my son.
Thank you.
This is good.
Thank you.
Stay away from me if you're not here. See your life now. Nah.
Boys,
Sir.
tie him up.
Even me.
Uncle, I don't trust you now. You and Auntie go day. When they finish my project, I'll release you.
I see what party now.
No worry, we'll see the party, but you go still day here. 2 of them are the same thing. Based on the same feather, flock together. So make 2 of them day here together. When I finish my duplex, I release the 2 of them. I don't want any to do for my project. I don't want triumph.
Any bad luck.
Uncle, thank you. I dare with you.
Mercy.
Oh! Keep shouting. Here you go.
Some people deserve it, I swear. So what is this one now? What are these people up to? Like,
Crypto bro.
Wisdom 247, are you going to fall for this? Yeah. Let's see. Huh? Ozuo fall like Mumu. I never expected it. I never knew this guy would fall.
I gonna be that too. Why Antelope become this place? Nine. She might use this money to buy the flipping A for the comfort. Now you go to my flipping a car now.
Let's have it. No,
I'm not collector. No. They do come now. See, this squad they come. I agree to them. Not the on the sense. I'm here.
There's nothing on the floor. Finally. That guy is crazy. No wonder it's not even there about it.
Please, I got the drugs for you.
Baby, I told you not to come now. You're supposed to be at work.
Jesus.
You know you're important. I had to get the drugs for you.
No, the nurse is coming.
Boy, I got the drugs for you. Is it the same thing? Wow. This one is 1-2 times daily. This one 2.
Blood
this
of
one
Jesus.
1-2 times daily. This one.
Has she left? Okay. Do you have condom at home or I should buy?
My head is going inside this place.
I'm
You
going
get
to
it?
reset your factory.
If you don't get it, forget
And you
about
say nurse is coming, but this is not nurse. You are a bad guy. Home of laughter. Let's see how good right now. Very hilarious, yeah. You serve the job. Ask you to wait to go to shoot.
Where you there?
Oh, I think it's a big car.
You wear yellow.
Yes.
They eat fried rice.
Yes. Yes, I got cousin.
Favorite, you be bad person. How far would they pay?
Okay, why you pay now?
How far outside there? Big I say more meat, I not say more meat inside. Since you don't order food, I beg pay. You meet me outside.
Man, the takeaway you order for, cash your POS.
Only at the top, bang.
Guess with this habit, those of you doing this thing is very bad and it's shameful. Come to think of it, they had you to wait at Mr.
Where are you coming from, for Christ's sake? Do you know how long I've been calling you? Are you mad or something?
Madam, please look at my physiognomy and physiog. You can deduce that this is an apologic and a lollapalooza. You don't verbose nauseous and virulent words to me. Do you know the peregrination and globe-trotting that I had to galvanize to get to this place?
You don't know.
This place is like a labyrinth and a maze. Do you know how hard this is to get here?
Please, I don't even have time for this your rubbish. For how long I've been waiting here? 3 hours. I've already sent your money to your delivery company. Okay. This is mint. Please, I beg you in the name of God. They're about to use it for a party right now. They are waiting for you. I don't want to hear stories. You're going there straight. Did I make myself clear? You are going there straight. I'm going to call you. Please do not disappoint me. Go there straight. Thank you very much.
Let's see how it's going to. Where that go fit go there. Some money.
I get out to do
When he speak, you go loyal. Music, Marie Gloria.
I'll just up this
Anti monopolo geography.
A creative mind is a fertile land for
When he speak, you go loyal. Charge and pay, and still loyal. Anti monopolo geography. I did nod my head, but I know ya.
Are you playing?
Hello! Wow, such a glamorous, drop-dead, gorgeous, and glossy enamorado. See, you look, you look like Cinderella.
Thank you.
Okay. Let me start by giving you my epithet and my rubrics. My name is Professor Baisa Titus, an academic juggernaut, and I'm in charge of all the real estates in this local. I actually came to check on one of the properties I just purchased around this local before I envisage this beautiful and gorgeous statue. I said, no, let me come and confabulate with you. Okay. Don't mind the cash I'm carrying. We big men, that's how we are.
Thief.
Just, and this is real cash. I want to squander everything on you.
You joking?
Are you not the owner of the ride over there?
I'm robber.
Me? What am I doing with the bike now? No, now. As a head honcho and academic, what am I doing with it? No. It's not my bike. It's not my bike.
Are you sure that's not your bike?
But actually, my driver, I came with my driver. He went to get some PMS. That is premium motor spirit. Put in simple word, fuel. So if it's done, he will galvanize back. So I want to use this money and squander it on you. You get it now. In fact, this money, hold it, is real. It's real. It's not my bike. What am I doing? No, it's not my bike. It's not. What am I doing with a bike? It's all right. You like it, Abby?
I love it.
It's okay. And so, can we go out tonight?
I would have loved to, but I'm married.
You're married, and I've been wasting my time. Let me go and deliver my.
Jesus. It's a pity for you.
Wait, I parked this bike here. Did you see? The bike is gone. Okay. The money is gone.
Lagos girls don't do you.
Gaga to one gaga.
You are the most.
I got the advice from a madman.
Human being I've seen. If such people like this exist, it's not going to be easy with them. No. They will always fall victim of scam 419 because of their character. Let's see this one.
The blood of Jesus. Sodom and Gomorrah.
This one's serious, so.
What's going on here?
This is serious. You are taking over the industry with papa.
God have mercy upon us.
This is serious.
So now, what you gonna use your life to do with this? Or computer be the night for call they do this hotel where they build for here so. Now your mate, now you erect.
Hotel, please.
But the only thing where you feel erect, now your brokers. And you, this up again. You don't even get class. Or computer building, now for the smart you.
They do you e-bank.
Anyway, now the only time when I get to use the hotel be this. Because if they finish her, now not go see money till lodge. Look at this Nico. Very big pastor, you see the road. Why can I boss up? It was yours, so you go come meet me for this house. He goes.
Madam, rise up and walk. Oh, Papa. Which way they run like person and find the pursue now?
Oh no, my wife. My wife didn't allow me drink water, keep cup for us again.
Your wife? What do you do, your wife?
Because of that, they feel much energy for bed.
Your own better now. Me, my wife need agree make her come off for house because of the way they give her back to back, and she know I might carry the same energy. Go give another woman.
Which kind of sense talk with that one now? What would this be the satisfy woman? Number 2 minutes man they call you.
Now that way we dey for school, no be now again. You don't get the new updates.
Which update?
Come make I tell you. Now she go to beg you.
How about the people in the crowd like?
For real? Beg? This is serious. So. Hope this guy not deceive this man to go the mix nonsense. At the end of the day, the woman said
only one tumbler. You don't finish your wife. No take more than one, no. Contact me later.
Poverty start leader.
Jesus.
Blood of Jesus. You cannot do anything.
2 seconds later.
Look at this idiot. I think that you come back say you get sense. You not fit do anything as a man.
Jesus. So for all this thing, this woman still with me.
Nothing.
If you say you get sense, if I don't meet CFD wellness, make them give you better electro boost, wey go make you perform your better duties as a man. But everybody in Weruche, you cannot meet them. Every time he mix you conjunction, he meets his here before you know it anymore. 2 minutes, man.
You see the electro boost? I go buy 2.
You can't do nothing. Let's see Rukky on this one. They can do that. But now they make angry. The guy is a peaceful guy. These guys can never relate with this guy and create peace.
Babe, you want to buy another rice?
Yes.
Imagine
I thought
in
you
somebody's
just
house.
eating swallow now.
I love food a lot, though. I'm a foodie.
You be foodie, then they be foodie for Percy house. Please don't go to the kitchen again, no.
I don't understand. What's that for?
Just finish eating swallow now. Now, so they take the kitchen. If you not see food stuff for the kitchen now, you take it easy now.
As for me for eating, you are supposed to be happy. Don't you know there are some people who normally take drugs just to eat? Should be happy. Never my friend. They always
Now you go eat for your house now. Sure.
Yes, eat that in your house. Do that.
Half of my salary now, I tell you go do the put food stuff for the kitchen. Just now let you come, you eat a bag. You don't go boil rice again. Huh? You don't eat like that now.
Wait, are you not my boyfriend? Are we not dating? So let me tell you, my friends normally praise me whenever I'm eating. It is not easy to eat. There are some people they have to take drugs before eating. Some they have to smoke before eating.
You know they say you na gluten so. Only you come just now, you make a bag, see about where you chop. You go now, you go to the boil rice again.
So you have just made me gluten. Because of food?
You know they see the way you get the chop, so even me where I get the food stuff, I use my brain to the chop palm now. The life now I calculate now. The life say you not in Nigeria. Sure?
No problem. I don't think I can do this rubbish because I cannot date a boy that cannot feed me. And food I think they survive. I know they like all this kind of.
I said I take the chop. Why you not the chef? So I said I take the chop.
How do they say the chop? If I'm not chop, how they work? How they work?
Juice be that now. Only you chop it by your time. You don't go boil rice.
I beg any man will not go feed them. Any man will
come
not
out. If you be gluten, you go know the way you go the arts now.
I beg any man will not go feed me. I'm not go feed the town. Now someone just
quit. Take the job, so. When you want quit, you quit now. Sure?
Quit.
1 week relationship. Only yesterday, only this morning, only you don't chop it by you go serve rice again.
That's very.
No, be electric cup of Gary I measure to make that buy. You never even reach 5. On the north side they each reach 5. Not to do this kind of relationship again, no. This kind of rubbish. Let me carry my sis come up for you.
I make you fat like this, so
you go do it in it, or I tell show you my bad side. Now so I take the chop. I mean that's why for you.
I don't know the chance for me. I come out and they come out like this. So kind of rubbish be down. I just want to hear the vet. Small food man, you carry other one. You never reach one coffee. You say not give the chance.
That's why I take the cooker. You the cook power like that for your house. Then they carry the phone. They go. Now you get the phone.
I don't understand.
You talk about your sim for the phone. So me say
wait, you don't carry my phone from my hand.
Now you get the phone. I mean that's why for you.
Hey Jesus. See, I beg, I don't want to talk to you anyhow. Just give me for because don't already instruct me for food. Give me make I go now. Why
you carry your SIM card come off for the phone. Or if you get pin, you bring the pin. They go, you work on the carry phone, they go before.
Rukky does not take nonsense. You don't know. Even that only God knows if you will not collect it. Or is that your natural head?
The Belle get reserve. They chop like who get reserve for Belle. Even the about you chop just now, not people finish that by chop and finish, you go boil rice. Because you food stuff for them. Now you put the food stuff for them.
If person not hungry, go chop.
If you be hungry lion, now you want to fill your GP tank.
If I'm not feeling, I want for.
Now you want to fill your GP tank.
What if person wait for you to chop the belly food? Now you the shop.
Why you not chop belly food for your own house?
I get now.
To get reserve for belly so. You chop for reserve.
You want to remove the SIM card?
I mean, you say you want break up. Not if you want break up, you drop the phone before you come out. I mean, that's why for you.
I mean, you don't know the code. You guys are dating Rukky without knowing him very well. It's very shameful now. You as a girl. And if you notice very well, the way they were talking at initially, they They don't do this kind of thing.
Hey, oh God.
That phone where you TikTok to collect now, no be your own, no be you plug am. Every time you say I want to buy something for backyard now, come back just now. He dey TikTok. When I go tell you make you leave Igbo, you no go gree. Waka where na your phone? Waka touch that for ground na your phone. Waka dey go na your phone. Che, Chinekele Igbo.
The battle we are going to fight is not ordinary battle.
Tiptoeing to steal your own phone, impossible now. Igbo, you guys should be careful. My guy plug phone still go thief am. Wahala for everybody.
You're welcome.
Thank you, sir.
You're welcome to my house.
Thank you, sir.
Meet my sisters, Blessing and Flossie. Blessing. Meet Opioku.
Opioku. All this one are baddies. So they are sick dog.
Yeah, Flossie. Meet Opioku. He's our new houseboy.
Opioku, you're welcome.
Opioku, they will take good care of you. Anything that you need in this house, they will provide for you. Okay? Just feel free, do your work. Salary no be problem. You understand? Food no be problem. Just what I want you to do, make sure you do your work diligently. You hear me? Okay, that is good. Go straight to that place. The room by your left. That is your room. Go and drop your bag. Opioku! Where are you going to? I said that is the road to your room.
Come on, no verse. I don't go my house. I no go fit do the work.
What is the problem? What happened?
Okay. The kind of patient wey go dey this house, I no go fit overcome am. So make I sack myself before you sack me. I no go do the work.
He's a good guy, very decent guy. He doesn't want to point to temptation.
She's cheating.
Those guys are
Make up you're bigger than all these things, bro.
Plus 2, 3, 4, plus 4, 4, 4.
This one a fear of God comedy.
Babe, who is that guy?
You don't know him. He's my friend.
I lie.
The guy that dropped you off, your friend.
My friend, Francis. Don't you know him?
I'm done with this relationship. I cannot go. I don't find my label.
What do you mean?
Makes sense like that, guy. Now you be matured.
Hey! Let's watch this video.
As we are gathered here today, we are reminded of the importance of love, commitment, and sacrifice. If there's anyone here who doesn't want this marriage to hold, should speak up or forever hold your peace.
Because I'm in danger right now.
Papa Fella.
Get body to surplus.
Help me! Hey!
Well, that's how it is. So some people will just make you leave some certain things, and at the end of the day, they will go behind you and collect that thing. If you are mungu enough, you will lose that thing.
I've been away too.
Hello, uncle. My fine boy. How's Lagos now?
I'm in Benin, sir.
Now you enter Benin.
Call him back.
Hello, sir. So Destin, you enter Benin, you know if you can see me.
No. I only came because of
You came because of Wesley Script Salon and Spa, now, Abi? So Destin, you say you want to go spa before you can see me.
No, not like that, uncle. I just wanted to breeze in, breeze out.
Oga breeze in and breeze out. When you enter Benin, you not pass Ring Road.
I pass, sir. I pass.
You not pass Airport Road.
I pass.
Even Ekenwa campus. Not be there you school. You not pass Ekenwa campus.
I pass, sir. I pass.
Even Akpakpa, you pass Akpakpa. You not pass, huh?
I pass that one too.
Desni, you not pass Ramat Park.
Even that one.
Even if you buy it, they see you for there, Desni. Even you Benin market see you, Desni. Now my house for upper come and you come, Abi. Well, worry. You send a salon, you want to go do pedicure, Abi. When you finish, make sure say they cut your hair for you. Better run cut. Or punk. No, that one they fit you pass. Now you're flatted.
Sir, have you tried our hair room? We have nice, affordable hair extension.
Don't do it.
Don't tell me the rest for Lagos.
I'm going back to Lagos. Don't cut your hair. I will just go and mistakenly cut off your neck. This crazy guy. Head boy. Big head. I don't want to tell that.
I carry checkers.
Brother, if I tell you wetin my eyes see today, you no go believe me.
What's your eyes see?
Brother, I say as I dey come back like this, I see bag of money.
Come on.
Money?
You are wasting time, my guy. Quickly go and look for it if it is truly bag of money. Come on.
You see money?
Brother, shey I go dey lie for you again.
Where the money dey?
Brother, shebi na him talk say anything I see for grandma no pick am.
Why no pick am?
Brother, no be you talk say anything I see for grandma no pick am. If not, I go turn to yam.
Hey!
5 years of madness.
Hey, brother, come on. See them.
Jay.
I'll just keep.
Let me now go inside.
You are so stupid. Well, thank you guys for watching this comedy compilation. Like, I can't stop laughing. It's actually hilarious. Like, everything, every scene was a hit on this comedy compilation, and I know you enjoy it. So we've come to the end of this comedy compilation, and please don't hesitate to turn on the post notification bell. That is after you've subscribed. Bacam. After you've pressed that black subscribe button. Bacam. Yeah. You can, turn on the bell notification icon, and also don't forget to like, share, and comment your favorite moment in this comedy compilation video. Can somebody be so mugu like this? Because I tell you, they pick something. Now, money I tell you, don't pick. You saw money on the ground. Bags of money. Like, you even have the audacity, the guts to come to me to tell me that you saw money on the floor and you did not pick it. Nah, man. This one is small. This slap. I'll just say enter. I'll just grab pepper naked. You rub it upon all your body. You will see shaking now. Can you come and tell me that is a sad news? You can't move for the matter. You are crazy. Honestly. Alright, I really love this comedy compilation. It's a very hilarious one. Very, very hilarious one. Number one is actually hilarious. Kekere was seen misbehaving. You will be native doctor, you know you are fake. Someone came to you, tell you that the thing you gave him, he used it and it worked for him, and you are happy. You are not, instead of you to be like, asking how come, like what did you do? How did you apply it? You have to change that. I have power, you have power. At the end of the day, the guy was just trying to fool you. He has not even used it. Nothing. I love the way he gave him the soap. Take your soap. Open. Send me my money. I have no connection with you. Nonsense. Nobody can do that apart from Kekere. Only Kekere can be able to have that time to do that. I just say, like, I can't tell now. I like that guy. Okay. That means whenever you lodge, you tell people that you lodge. That today now that you manage, you go do labor work, get money, go load guest house, carry one cheap girl, go. Now you dey tell everybody say I just say make I can't tell when I say I don't lodge again. I carry shekels. I love the guy. It's not be long that guy, started raining. Let me say raining. It just came out a few months ago, and everybody have started knowing him, all those kind of things. Not because of anything, but because of his hard work. Like, this guy has been putting so much hard work to make sure he is known by everybody. And so many comedians has been using it to shoot their skit. The guy is going. I love the way he acts. Honestly. I think this guy is kind of mimicking Carter with the zoomed camera and the forceful talk. Wow. All those kind of things, you know what I mean? So what do you like about this comedy compilation? Like, it's better we start seeing your comments. Comment. What is very difficult for you to comment? Comment. Don't just watch, laugh, and go. Comment. Let the comment keep flowing. When it keeps flowing, we know our people we know those are active with us, so that whenever I want to come up with any prize or anything, we just know who and who we are actually going to select for this prize. So if you're not commenting, if you're not liking, tell me, how am I going to know? There is no way. There is no way. There is no way. There is no way. So I really loved this particular comedy. Casey Nation is a madman. You left everywhere. You left every city in the States. You left every corner, every town. Went straight to bush. Say nah. Well, I don't think this guy actually went to that place, that bush, because they want to carry an olosho. No. I think he was maybe going to visit his parents in the village, you know, as usual. You know, whenever he's going, actually, you know, pretend as if he has problem or has injury in his hand, like on his hand, something like that. But this time around, I think he was actually trying to go complete this time, but he saw somebody and tried to, you know, see if they can actually. But in mind, he might not tell him, say, this person could be spirit or ghost, something like that. No, you were pricing. And the person, even the amount to carry that girl was so cheap. You couldn't even reason anything important. You were like, you cheap. Enter now. See where I carry you enter. You don't fear. She right. You come out again. The girl become normal. That is enough reason for you to know that this person is not a normal person for you to run. But you didn't run. You were trying to behave crazy. Like, I love the comedy, honestly. It's very hilarious. And also, I love this one from YG Brown, where the girl was actually trying to say anything they want to do must be after marriage. Some girl can be like that, but I don't think it's okay. I don't think it's cool. I don't think it's cool, because who won't marry, go marry, not because of all this. Even you do this, if person will not marry, no go marry you. There is no amount of after marriage, after this, that will make a guy marry you. Let me tell you, let me tell you. All right, thanks for watching. We've come to the end. I want to say thank you once again, sticking around to this moment. Have a wonderful time. We're going to see you guys on our next comedy compilation video. Bye bye for now, and stay blessed.